days?
I hope you took it, George.
He did. And he threw in Mom's favorite dishes just to close the deal.
George!
Mackay Kalem! Nina was less than thrilled about our abbreviated escrow. But being the great woman that she is, she went with the flow and even allowed me back into our bedroom for our last night at 24 Maple Drive. And since we had nowhere to live, she also arranged for us to stay at the McKinseys while they took a Caribbean cruise.
Hey, are you sure you don't want to take a picture by your favorite part of the fence?
Oh, no, I'm fine.
Oh, okay. Whoa.
Hey, Nina, are you okay? I mean, you don't look so good.
No, I don't really feel so good. I just didn't think I'd get so emotional about this whole thing. I don't know, I feel kind of dizzy.
You guys, these are from the tree that we carved our initials in out back. Oh, Mom, did you get a picture of the tree?
Oh, just a roll, honey. Oh.
Hey, Maddie, what's that?
My doorknob. I want to keep a memento for my room.
Oh.
Hey, what are we, the Schmaltz family? Come on, no more tears. We're on to bigger and better things. I mean, who needs this old shack? Look at it.